Thari Lungri Kangi Pyoge di Zene, Chilo Nyudung Gulo ne Sung Tapar, Pyona la Ranglu Mesi ki Nedun Dan Dewa Gola Shimju Ta, Dewi Mena Kala Jendi Nani, Dusje Mixe, Longye Ji Dusuru Na Yori. Ani Longye di Tiri Jizing Shu Dungi la Tanda Gesu Washington la Denshi Jebe, Ngeji Pyodun Lengu Kan la Dusje Simbunaso.
Make up an area roughly the size of Western Europe. Buddhism emerged in the 8th century to become the central force in Tibetan culture, a culture which holds compassion and respect for all life at its core.
Thari Longye Simbunawe Thoma de la ani Tanda Ari Lungji Kangi Pyoge di Zen ki Genji Gazula ge ani Longye si ge Simuwa Chola da Longye di Dan Dewe Gor Simuwa Chola Sesha Naso Antine ani de Lungji Kane ani Surdo da Dosu Kugab Simje ani Gazula la da Thari Longye di ani de Chinga da Dosu Dunang Goya ge Gobikum Ze Khari Me Gor Dos Kendi Shubi
Lawless. There were the chavri. The Nichin the Nabato was there, this sometime go to Dugane, that to do only message Manguchun Savre, Chene, around the Dukste Dugane, the only message to rare chin Chundukane, huge chick Kasura Piganezu, took to a mabche, chick. Ni and Chigedba, Sangulam Katazu, Decalia. Legashta to mabch, seven chedo, Kansana, Pearlia, Sago Tangi mabche. And Degalia, Kunazu, Kashia Tonachi, and Degalia, Nezu, Sonetsu, Chikdana, the Chikdes Tangamabas or Tonch, the Indugane, and the Nirin Yiris and Ubel, Hagas shit, Togoyadi catch tone, any catches then, Locuta, any Pernalia Carchuime.
Mass protests, uprisings, and even armed conflict between Tibetans and China go back more than 60 years.
Ani Geji Pidulengu Kangi Genji Pujun Sirilale, any Tari Longye di any Geji Pidulengu Kana Lola, Gudinang Goyaki, Ingumzen Gotos Kendishubi.
Monks and senior priests were publicly humiliated and forced to denounce their spiritual master, the Dalai Lama. That may have been the final straw for a young monk named Tabe. Tabe belonged to Kirti Monastery, located in the town of Ngaba in Sichuan province. On February 27, 2009, Tabe walked alone to the market area of Ngaba and set himself on fire.
I feel very sad that Tibetan people have to go to such lengths to try to secure their cultural freedom.
Ngoma pe jame duboton gera kanga se lumba tro me kanga pe tande che mebat ta jeni si an so su lumbal jaka sakon meba chudon riyon ta yara siezon tande de meba che so su ta jawa yin lama bembo senam chendi bembo chimi denki lama kon lumbal de machua 다 던데 로춘주 던데 다 던데가 생기 전부 시부 담보 상이 마셔봐 오늘 상인의 지어랭이 좀 진지르다 전 제수 오늘 할래야 돼서
I just wish people in the West would take more interest in what's going on there because we very much fuel and make it possible for those injustices to continue.
Adi lungji kangi pyoge di zene kuti nawe kang jo mi ji sibe lungye di ne kes Washington DC jebe pyoden lengu kan do singbu nawe gabla de ne jige min re ding ne singi pyuri mengbu ji do spesha ne lhaba do jige min chue ta de ge ne ngen ji di thola hajang ge da tuna chimbu nang gu do la lungye di si tube ji la ne de yube jige min chue ga zu la la da thena le me se gi ne den dan de ko la America guess Washington is a long kangi pugate zengi yang drune. Ericus Washington the Desi Pedolingu kangi ne legune dosje ne to Puyu number 200 decency number 22.
According to eyewitness accounts, the most common words spoken by self-immolators, often shouted while fully engulfed in flames, are "Return the Dalai Lama to Tibet" and "We want freedom." 19 of the self-immolators left fuller testimonies in the form of poetry, audio recordings, and notes.